Hi everyone, this is Susie. I've been working on these planter pots. They're urns. I put some more Marigold Grow in here, and in the middle, for some height, I put some Pampas grass, white Pampas grass, in the middle, and some marigolds. Gold marigolds. I put 6 all around, and I put one French marigold in there. And the same with this one. The white pampas grass in the middle, and the gold marigolds. And the French marigold. Yeah, I'll be taking this out to my container garden area. Give it lots of water. And the marigolds get about 10 to 12 inches. They like 6 hours of full sun. Same with the French marigolds. They get a little bit taller, the French marigolds. And I've been still working on my container garden. Get back to my gardening after I moved here a few years ago. It's like starting over again. I want to thank you so much for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.